a vendor description here. So now where it gets really interesting is, let's say we have a select field like this for the different categories of vendors. We can be setting up an AI agent and we'll be just describing this supplier, for example, and then we can, in category, activate the AI agents that will automatically fill the right category value based on the vendor description. So we can be adding a prompt right here, and we'll say the vendor category for this. And I will tag here the vendor description. And I will select a model. So for example, 4.1 mini, because this is quite a simple task. I could be allowing web search. For example, if I was looking for external information or something that's available online on a specific company. In our case, we'll be just basing that on the description that we provide. So no need for web search. And here we have some settings about when to run this AI agent. Should it be only triggered manually or whenever a new record is created? Or here, when an existing record is updated, and we could say that whenever the vendor description is updated, we can retrigger that. So in our case, let's paste that into another line and we'll see that it will automatically run whenever it is updated, or we could just in here manually trigger that and it will go through the list of values that we made available here to actually automatically categorize. So this is called the database AI agent, and it really gives superpowers to your database because it can automatically, ongoingly work to maybe refine the data, clean it, but also enrich it, reformat it. And it's also able, if you have a field that is, for example, a PDF, it can also be answering or extracting elements from this PDF to store it, for example, in a text, or categorizing, or maybe extracting an amount from an invoice. And we'll very probably be doing that in here if it's useful. So you have AI living right into your database to improve the efficiency of this app.